Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. On today's video we have our new smart clock. Let's go ahead, we'll open the box and then I'll run you through all the features of it. So let's go ahead, pop it open. So inside the box we have our rather large instruction manual on how to operate the unit, how to run through all its different features because the clock has Bluetooth and FM radio built into it as well. We also have our USB wall adapter, our USB power cable, and we have our lovely clock. I'll just put that there for a sec. Ta-da-da-da. I have to power it up so you guys can see how good it looks. But yeah, this is our brand new clock, so it does have Bluetooth, it has FM in it, it's got very good night vision and a completely invisible lens hidden behind the black panel. I just wanted to quickly highlight how good our new little clock is in comparison to other clocks. So this is our hidden camera clock, and this is a no-name branded desktop clock that you would find in any sort of home office situation. As you can see, they are very similar. They are both squares and they both display the time. Except this guy has a hidden camera inside of it, and this guy has a radio, which, you know, can be a positive, I guess. But why, when you could have Bluetooth as well? It makes no sense to buy this when you could get this. So if you have some in-home security issues and you would like a device to cover it, I would definitely have a look at our hidden camera clock and see how you like it. Thanks for joining us, guys. As always, don't hesitate to shoot us an email, support@thespystore.com.au, or give us a call if you have any questions or queries regarding any of our products.